Okay, we're here today to this. This is a mosque, as you can see around here, and so we're here today to restore this marble floor. See, I do this here, so I'm going to restore it and polish the marble floor, and we will show you the process of doing this. And the sheen should be shining with this anyway, because it's quite dull. And we can do a standard restoration here and polish it. Okay. The floor just finished. See the difference now. It's after we just restored and polished. So it will shine in. This is it. It restored, look like when you were